everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, a vehicle that continues to represent freedom, power, and unstoppable off-road performance. Built for adventure lovers, this SUV stays true to its legendary roots while adding modern upgrades that make it more capable and comfortable than ever before. The exterior of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon instantly shows its bold personality. The iconic 7-slot grille remains a signature feature, now refined with updated detailing for a sharper look. High ground clearance, aggressive all-terrain tires, steel bumpers, and wide feather flares highlight its off-road focus. The Rubicon badge proudly signals its trail-rated strength, while removable doors and roof panels allow drivers to enjoy an open-air driving experience. LED headlights and taillights improve visibility and give the vehicle a modern touch, while the boxy shape stays loyal to Jeep's heritage. Inside, the Wrangler Rubicon offers a practical and durable cabin designed for adventure. The materials are tough and easy to clean, perfect for off-road use. A modern touchscreen with the latest Reconnect system supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and off-road information. The seating is comfortable and supportive, while the overall layout is simple, functional, and user-friendly, keeping distractions to a minimum. Performance is where the 2025 Wrangler Rubicon truly stands out. It offers powerful engine options including a 3.6-liter V6 and a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, delivering strong torque and reliable power. The advanced rock-track 4x4 system, electronic locking differential, and heavy-duty gated axle will provide exceptional traction on rocks, mud, sand, and steep trails. The disconnecting front sway bar improves wheel articulation, allowing the Rubicon to conquer extreme terrain with confidence. On paved roads, handling is more stable than previous models, while still maintaining a rugged driving feel. Safety in the 2025 Wrangler Rubicon has also seen noticeable improvements. Standard safety features include multiple airbags, electronic stability control, traction control, and hill start assist. Advanced driver assistance technologies such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision warning are available, offering extra confidence during daily driving and long highway trips. One of the strongest unique selling points of the Wrangler Rubicon is its factory-ready off-road capability. Unlike many SUVs that need upgrades, the Rubicon comes fully equipped for serious trails straight from the showroom. Its customizable nature, massive aftermarket support, and iconic Jeep identity make it a lifestyle vehicle rather than just transportation. In terms of price, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon starts around $47,000, with higher trims and optional features pushing the cost beyond $55,000 depending on configuration. In conclusion, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon remains a true off-road legend. It combines rugged capability, modern technology, and timeless design, making it an ideal choice for those who want adventure without compromise.